I'm so frickin' pissed.
Very powerful stuff indeed, and I think you'll agree if you know it.
This is radio control. We got problems downtown. Backup requested, over.
This is 4754. I got contact.
Radio control. Disturbance in progress, over. This is radio control. We got problems downtown. Backup requested, over.
This is 4754. I got contact.
control. We got problems downtown. Backup requested, over.
This is 4754. I got contact.
Yo, my man, you blocking up the street.
This is radio control. We got problems downtown. Backup requested, over.
This is 4754. I got contact.
Ah!
This is radio control. We got problems downtown. Backup requested, over.
This is 4754. I got contact.
This is radio control. We got... This is radio control. We got problems downtown. Backup requested, over.
This is 4754. I got contact. I am
This
a
is radio control. We got problems downtown. Backup requested, over.
4754. I got contact.
I can't believe this shit.
Welcome back to The Wave, with music selected by me, Adam First. The record companies know I will only play the underground hot tracks. Next up, we have one of my most favorite records. It's a pneumatic drill of a record, hitting hard with unprecedented lyrical intensity. People of my city, I give you Gary Newman.
What you did? Where the hell is my... I got those clothes you wanted. Hey, it's Mr. V. Oh, I just peed myself. You know I've been loyal. Forget about it.
Really interesting, I think. What about you? Do you like that one? Does it make you tremble and quiver and groan and feel alive? I play the music that makes the people feel touched. Don't go away.
Ever since Linda started working, our kids are home alone.
We tried hiring a nanny, but she wanted health insurance.
Yeah, right. That's when we got Domestobot. He's great with the kids.
Mrs. Morris, mommy lessons, skin magazine, and
he helps us, too.
Would you like your drink freshened?
He's a great conversation piece at our special parties.
Please put your car keys in the bag and the fun will begin.
It's like having a personalized alarm clock.
I brought you a drink.
Ah, it's 8 in the morning.
I made it a double.
Oh, Domestobot.
Domestobot. He's 3 foot high. He only says 10 phrases. He's the friend you've always dreamed of. Order Domestobot today.
Hello, I am Fernando Martinez. I think by now you know I am an emotional kind of guy. People stop me in the street and say, Fernando, what the hell is wrong with me? Silk shirt, hairy chest, enough aftershave to... woman is going to respect you. That is why I have teamed up with Medallion Man, the shop for medallion needs. Medallion Man caters to all levels of masculinity. For the strong silent type, a medallion the size of a hubcap will say everything that needs to be said. Even singing medallions for the Casanova, who knows music is the food of love. Model trains, dollhouses, diapers, whatever your interest, we've got a medallion for you. Don't forget, every woman knows if you can't support a medallion, you can't support a family.
For thousands of years, Americans have looked for answers to life's difficult questions. Now, millions of people just like you are finding answers and taking charge of their lives through the original patented and proven program of Valhalla's finest deity, Thor.
Treasure awaits you, but beware of your women's vocal. Treachery is deeply in her. By the coming of the spring, she shall be no more.
Thor changed my life.
Author of 2 best-selling self-help books translated from the original runic into 25 languages, Thor has helped millions realize their dreams.
Beware the trap set by the frost giant. Carry your magic hammer.
Available on record or cassette, the personal Norse Power Program looks to the myths of the Vikings for answers.
Can you give my husband and I some advice to help keep things hot in the bedroom?
Take a longboat with 20 of your finest men. Head to where the sun sets. There you will find the village. Pillage, plunder, and burn all that you find.
And if you order now, you'll receive Thor's Subliminal Tape Series, so you gain wisdom of the gods while sleeping.
Accept the crystal cup. At the feast, beware the 12th.
Thor's personal Norse Power Program. Call now. 866-PILLAGE. That's 866-PILLAGE.
Hi, I'm BJ Smith, football player, businessman, and father of 18 adorable kids. Throughout my career, my coach pumped me so full of steroids and hatred, I couldn't feel pain. Shoot, I even break my own leg for fun. They made me play when I was ill or injured, and that was because I was little more than a piece of meat to them. And now, you can too, with BJ's Fit for Football. I'll take you through all the necessary steps to get fit for football and sticking it to the man. Using only a 400-pound dump.
Whatever, loser.
Where the hell am I?
Certainly don't recognize this neighborhood.
More mood swings than your pregnant wife. Emotion 98.3.
Hello, I am Fernando Martinez, and this is Emotion. When I...
sissies cry. Real men stand in the rain and listen to this. V-Rock.
He was just the boy next door.
Hi, well, hello there, Danny. I didn't know it was hockey season.
Hey, can I borrow a knife?
A deadly curse, a deranged killer, a small town in tears.
In no time at all, a star was born, and I think he owes it all to his magic wand.
Yo, you didn't mean that, right? I see the same faces. Just follow the road back. Yeah, you wanna fight, yuppie? You're kidding me, right? I'm gonna rip off your head and shit down your neck. Whoa, you're a dead man. I told her.
shoes, asshole.
You know, I chose those two myself. I'm sick of people calling up and saying that I don't have a passion for music and that I have a face for radio. What is that about?
Well, other stations' listeners are at school. We're shoplifting. V-Rock.
I had it with this stupid vulture. It's more airtime than I do. Who cares about a stupid bird?
It's like such a good thing he didn't whale me.
I was off with the fairies. Where are we? Ooh, I love to prance about the city. I just love expressing myself. Who's this place?
PJ is going to be coming back to play for the Mambas. That is unbelievable. You know, I've only been in Vice City a few months now, but it's clear to me that my opinion is really important to you.
New wave this, pal. We're the one and only V-Rock.
Don't forget, Love Fist are in town right now. Love Fist is in town. I flunk school because I'm hardcore.
Together.
If you can't wear a spandex jumpsuit, what can you do? This. The 100% official home of rebellion. V-Rock.
Alright, we got some more rock lined up for you. But wait, one moment. I think you'd rather listen to me talk for a while first. Let's get on B-Rock. Rock and roll and me. I'm not sure which I prefer.
You better get up the damn way.
Rocks. On B-Rock on the Vulture in Vice City. The Vulture is our mascot, which we need because those idiots, the retards, the guys that wear the suits in marketing, think that I can't carry the station on my own. Well, you're wrong. I hope I die before I get old. I'm sure I will, thanks to this life of excess I lead.
B-Rock. For people who wear name tags to work.
What makes a real American? A cowboy hat, enjoying a fine T-bone steak, going to a baseball game, shooting a gun. Maybe it's the freedom to go into a poor country and tell them how to do things. Hey. American thing.
Lock up your daughters. Shoot your sons.
Dad!
Because Love Fist is coming to town. The world tour that has been banned throughout the world comes to Vice City. The monsters of rock and roll excess. Love Fist. Get ready for a night of death metal love ballads that'll have you shoving your fists in the air. It's the Steel Heart Stone Cold Prostate Tour, brought to you by Giggle Cream, because dessert should be funny, and the Maibatsu Thunder, because after you get struck by lightning, there's thunder. Come see the pounding rock from the
life, then apply for planning permission. Pretty soon you can have your own retirement community or resort destination holiday place. You can start making money out of the boom, the shrub-inspired boom, and enjoy the kind of things sensible people have. Personal bodyguards, massive fences, and a bigger collection of...
No freaking cool, man. What a major freaking joke.
This is radio control. We got problems downtown. Backup requested. Over.
Kill me, man.
This is 4754. I got contact.
Yo, get out the way.
That's me, baby, brown and sweet. Hey, baby, you want something soft?
This is radio control. We got problems downtown. Backup requested. Over. This is 4754. I got contact.
away from me!
What the hell are you doing? Oye, jefe. Perdón.
This is radio control. We got problems downtown. Backup requested, over. 4754. I got contact. This is radio control. We got problems downtown. Backup requested, over. 4754. I got contact.
Sure. This is V-Rock, where rock and roll reigns supreme. Or we'll peck your eyes out.
This is the 100% official home of Rebellion with me, Laszlo, the rebel rouser, hellraiser in chief. That's right. I am the master of darkness. That's why my name's Laszlo.
It's Laszlo on V-Rock, the home of all rebellion. We'll be right back.
He was a man of peace, living on a quiet farm in North Dakota. Till one day, all hell broke loose.
Tim, we need you! I'm a man of peace. I'm done killing. I want to raise a family. That's just it, Tim! They've got your family! No!
Jack Howitzer is Tim in Exploder. From the heart of America to the jungles of Cambodia, follow one man's quest for peace.
Gucci Bat, is that you?
Tim, I know you come. Just like old days, we kill everybody.
Tim, they've got your wife, but I'm not married! You are now to America.
He went in to save his country, but found his family and lost a friend.
Ochi!
Tim, don't leave me. You taught me baseball, Tim, and how to rap.
No! He would have been a fine American. I'll cry when I'm done killing.
Get yourself a body bag, strap yourself in, start making friends the American way, and...
here's Soren from Lovefest. If you want to take it on the chin, you'll remain listening to V-Rock.
Vice City's home of rock and roll for 75 years. Let's go to the V-Lines. Hello, you're on V-Rock.
Dude, you took my job, all right? I got a major beef with you.
Who is this?
Ed, maybe it's never me. Now I'm out driving a bus, standing on unemployment line, getting yelled at by my wife because I don't make enough money.
Look, man, the station's taking another direction. It's heading in a new direction. It happens to be a Laszlo direction.
No, it's not a new direction. It's a cheap direction. They're saving money on you. You are cheap, Laszlo. Cheap.
Listen, this is rock and roll, man. It comes and it goes. It's better to burn out than fade away.
So you're calling me a burnout? Is that what you're saying?
Well, I heard that you applied for this job with a resume written on rolling papers. Come on.
And yeah, you sent yours in, handwritten calligraphy with a bouquet of flowers. That's not rock and roll, man. Rock and roll's a lifestyle. You gotta live it. You gotta know it. You don't know a damn thing about music. Twisted Sister, I Wanna Rock. I came up with those profound lyrics. I helped Steve. Autograph, turn up the radio. You're talking about me, man. Turn up the radio. Turn up Cousin Ed. What's the mascot's name for Iron Maiden? Do you even know? Give me a clue.
Listen, dude, first off, Cousin Ed is a really weak radio name. What are you, like a redneck?
What did you do? Let me ask you about high school. Were you in the high school band?
No.
You were in the band, weren't you?
Yes.
Yeah, while you were learning the Star Spangled Banner, I was in the garage drumming the Def Leppard song.
Listen, I know who the mascot for Iron Maiden is.
Who?
It's a puppy.
No, his name's Eddie. Cousin Eddie. Where do you think it came from? Cousin Ed, Eddie, Iron Maiden. Put two and two together, my friend.
Listen, that was old rock. This is new rock, man. You gotta step aside.
New rock? I don't even use the playlist. You probably have a playlist. I rolled mine into a big fatty and smoked it.
Listen, I'm a rock station DJ, okay? Let's get some rock served up. This is V-Rock. Yeah. Hey, don't forget this weekend, all weekend long, it's a crash and burn weekend. I believe the Vulture is going to be there handing out sharp objects. It is going to rock. We're going to have to take a break right now, but we'll be back in a few short seconds and maybe even give you an opportunity to win a Vulture t-shirt. Don't go away.
Knights of the road, here's your stallion. The car for freedom. The car for hot excitement.
one and only V-Rock.
The store leading the fight against communism is having a blowout sale. Ammu-Nation has a wide array of peacemakers. Come by Ammu-Nation on Militia Mondays, exercise your Second Amendment rights, and get 10% off all armor-piercing bullets. We're the only gun store that lets you try it before you buy it. Need anti-tank missiles? We've got them. Flamethrowers? Oh, yeah. No credit? No problem. No money down. 90 days. 60. Anti-aircraft gun actually used when we whooped Australia's ass. This weekend is the Ammu-Nation Film Festival with free screenings of the documentary Red Dawn. Ammu-Nation, protecting your rights.
Hey, here's another track. Remember, it's going to be a win it before you can pawn it weekend. We love to give stuff away at this radio station, especially if the record companies gave it to us in exchange to play their songs. Rock and roll.
Here's my gun for a barrel of fun, from the love of living.
face.
Anyway, I digress, and as a great man once told me, nobody likes a wordsmith. Let's get to the records. Next up, we have an American act for you. They've been around for a few years now, and for my money, this is their finest hour. Atomic by, of course, Blondie.
This is not good.
Baker. I'm looking for Big Mitch Baker.
Who's looking?
Tommy Vercetti.
Vercetti? You don't look like the law, so that's bought you a minute. You better talk fast.
Ken Paul said you might be interested in pulling security for a gig he's got set up.
Ken Paul? Shh. No wonder he sent you. The last time he was here, he left through the window in nothing but his limey birthday suit.
Are you interested or not?
We only do favors for our own.
How do I join?
This ain't no country club, boy. Can you handle a bike?
Can you sit on a stool and drink?
Cougar, Zeppelin, go see how this girl handles a bike.
In the handle, you'll find all of the things you'll need.
At poor people, or being in government and laughing at the electorate.
Now, Mr. Shrub. All right, fancy clothes, let's see what you can do.
Press the issue. My city is in trouble, and I think we're not really providing any serious solutions. So far, we've got secessions, rearing its ugly head for the first time in a century and a half. We've got ignore it, and we've got give everyone a flower. You're all a little unrealistic, yes?
Come on now, my friend.
Maurice. Not to say over-opinionated and moronic, Mr.
Give a man a chance. Prisons are overflowing with wasted potential. Make the guilty men innocent once more. Free them from themselves.
How? How on earth do you do that?
Well, you could let them off.
Marvelous. Great. That's a sensible plan.
Then they wouldn't be guilty anymore.
We've been doing that for years, you idiot. How do you think we'd keep prison costs down? They ain't by magic or cooking the books. We save that for education. But, as in most things, we in government are saving money so that you don't have to. When we spend less money on services, more goes to administration salaries and expenses, which helps make lives a lot less difficult for everybody. It's about sharing. Sharing your taxes out amongst the select few. That's why I worked so hard at school, so I can reap the rewards now.
I thought you worked hard at school because the other kids laughed at you and called you a square.
That's a damn lie. They called me Wet Fart.
They called me the Bat because my voice didn't break until I was 19.
So, Mr. Shrub, I take it you don't believe in regulation.
I believe in giving people a chance, not tying them down with lots of needless regulations. The fact is, business is run by moral people who won't do anything illegal or try to get rich quickly.
Got you again. Hey, Vercetti. Cougar says you can handle a bike pretty good.
Yeah, how many more errands am I gonna have to run? I'm a very busy man. If it's a fight that's gonna settle this, then bring it on.
Being one of us ain't just about brawling. It's about being part of a family.
Yeah, I've been part of a family before, all right? It didn't work out.
Yeah, right, but this family takes care of its own. We don't ask a man to do the dirty work and then let him do 15 years hard time. Yeah, that's right, I've done my homework. This here's the biggest family of misfits, outcasts, and badasses. Hell, some of us have even been betrayed by our own country.
I was locked up during non-ugly business.
Which is why I'm going to ask you to go mess with the man. This whole damn country needs a kick in the ass, and we're the ones to deliver it. So get out there, grab a bike, and show this city how pissed you are.
All right.
Vote Shrub for president and you'll have a friendly face in the White House. A man you can trust. A local man who likes golf and laughing and photo opportunities. Interrupt. Let me finish.
But you're not.
This man won't let me speak. You, Shorty, shut up and let me speak. I'm taller than him, ladies and gentlemen, by at least 3 inches, which means I'm a lot more respectable looking. Everyone knows politicians lie and steal.
Central, should I do? One to extend, 1, Central, should I do? From extend, 1, Central, should I do? Extend, Central, should I do?
I guess you've all got to make up your own minds. Should we be as wet as fish or a corrupt money-grabbing thief? Gentlemen, I feel we really got somewhere, and that Vice City and people everywhere know a lot more than they did before we began. And now, over to Jonathan and Melissa to talk to you about public radio in your area.
You're listening to VCPR, the radio...
Hey there, Mitch.
Well, if it ain't Badass Vercetti. Now I want to see how good you can fight for your patch. A local street gang made the mistake of stealing my hog. Probably because of some machismo thing or something. Me and the boys would go over there and teach them a lesson in respect and all. Anyways, then I got to thinking. This would make a good initiation for you. You get my bike back, you can tell Paul he's got his security. Come on. Come on, come on.
It's the incredible sitcom that has captured America's heart and given the whole country a new catchphrase.
But I'm 42!
Just the five of us. After a mix-up at the adoption agency, the Chesterfields came home.
Santa Claus. Now tidy your room.
Asshole.
Our posh suburban home must be a welcome change from that alley you were sleeping in.
I really enjoy living here, but there's not enough booze.
It's the funniest, most touching half hour on television.
Come on, man. I'm already a delinquent, mister. I'm already a delinquent, mister.
They make you say.
I've also brought a menacing trouser snake. Would you like to see it? Look at this. It's a little frog in my pocket. Calm as you like, not even awake. Eyes, dies. Anyway, in this pocket, I've got a baby dwarf giraffe I birthed this morning. See, she's still covered in fluid from her mum's womb. Wow, isn't that fabulous?
Ooh, that's grody. What did they make you say at the mental health judge?
Nothing, babe. Nothing at all. Long time ago, it was a bad period in my life. I wasn't sleeping. I was heartbroken like a platypus. Do you know a platypus only gets a bill after its mate breaks its heart by sleeping with its brother? I know all about that. I was crying my eyes out for weeks on all kinds of pills for my nerves. Couldn't move, couldn't talk. I was cooing like a dove. Please, darling, let's move on.
Say I love ya. Oh, I made my boyfriend say it, and he slept with my best friend. I think we're bonding now.
No, we ain't bonding you half. We're miles apart. I hate ya. They made me say I love you to Bobo.
Ooh, it's Bobo.
Bobo was the...
Out of the frickin' way!
Myself in the music there for a moment. Forgive me. It just hit me so hard sometimes, like a massive bit of masonry falling from a high building or something, or a truck driving over your foot, you know? Powerful, like a dream where you go to work naked. Let's take a break while I recompose myself. Remember, too much emotion is always a good thing.
Howdy, partner. It's 4:30 in the morning here at Farewell Ranch, and it's time to get up and work the old cow. Get up, you old! At Farewell Ranch, old people don't sit around stagnating watching games.
Hey, it's Mitch. You did good, Tommy. It's good to have the old girl back. You tell Kent Paul he'll get his security for the gig. You have my word on that. Now keep yourself out of trouble.
one of our nightly funerals. It's the cowboy's code. Work hard, don't shower, and die in your boots. Right, Norm?
Ah, my prostate.
Tommy, man, that psycho's back!
What's going on?
That psycho won't leave Lovefist alone.
You didn't kill him, man, and now he's back?
Yeah. The thing is,
we need someone to drive the limo we can trust, because that nutter keeps making threats!
Show me, I need my mom!
We're all breaking ourselves, man!
Okay, guys, calm down. I'll handle this. Normally, I wouldn't busy myself with driving around a bunch of drunken Scottish bisexuals. But in your case, I'll make an exception.
Lass, man, time for a well-earned drink.
Your venue's just 100 yards down the road, then?
Better make it a large one, then.
Hey, Tommy, change the tunes, man.
I get all confused if my head's nae banging.
Oh, look, what's this? Hey, Tommy, stick this tape on.
Lovefist, your time polluting the airwaves is over. I gave you the chance to be friends. Well, now I'm giving you the chance to die. You try and slow down, your limousine will explode, along with your big airy asses.
Tommy, pal, you've got to save the band.
I'm getting bored of this. Just keep the pedal to the metal.
You gotta find it, Bob!
Can't we just drive around all day?
I would get plenty to drink.
The bomb may be in the engine. Can't stop to get it.
We're all going to die. I'm going to get pissed.
Hey, there's a queue here, pal.
Hey, mate, Ansel's near the drinks cabinet.
Get out of my way.
Hey, the vodka bottle's got wires coming out here.
That's no vodka. That's moonshine.
Fire to blow!
No, it said the drink would kill me!
I've seen this on the telly. You gotta pull out one of the wires.
Which wire?
I don't know, man. I don't have a clue.
Willie, say something.
I'm gonna play bass in hell.
Tommy, man, keep driving fast, pal.
Somebody do something.
Aye, clever. Somebody do something? For kind of crap is that? I've seen braver crimes.
Okay, tough guy, you do something.
Look, mate, I play a musical instrument, and I have a clue about bomb disposal.
Well, he could just suck the boomshine out with a straw.
I have heard that you're good at that kind of thing.
Hey, I was off my tits that night as well, you know.
Just pass Willie a straw.
Aye, a straw? This is a Lovefist tour bus. I'm gonna get a straw fake here by me.
Which one, Tommy?
The green one.
There isn't a green one. Oh, is this a green one?
Any of these wires look green to you?
Oh, that's in the cards. Oh, it looks green.
I should have dumped you a lot when I had the chance, man.
Glory seeker.
Capitalist.
I've been carrying you for years.
Shut up, you muppet.
Big screaming girl.
Aye.
Shut it. It's got a wire.
Which wire?
This one.
No.
Man, we're okay. We ain't been blowing up. Tommy, man, nice one. Rock and roll, man.
And we got a gig to go to. A racket to make, groupies to abuse.
Oh, fist! Oh, fist! Oh, fist! Have you finished with that ball?
Let's go to the V-phones. Hello, it's your big day. You're on Live with Laszlo.
Hey, son, who is this?
It's Laszlo, a.k.a. DJ Hard Rocker.
Well, I'm glad to hear it, but I thought this was a rock station, son, and all I'm hearing is girls' music. What are you doing? You got personal problems? You sort them out, son, but don't drag the rest of us down with you, you hear?
Now hold on, pal. I'm playing the best music in Vice City.
No, you hold on, son. This is Mitch Baker here. Big Mitch Baker. You play something hard real soon, or I'm gonna come by the station.
Action camera, lipstick lights, outfit Mercedes tights. No one knows I play guitar, wearing her red bra. Is it true?
Jesus for the neck and the tip. We thought we'd show you our temple of rock. Got fuel
all for a love fest free. Listen to yourself, man. It's paper mache and gaffer tape.
Hey, to the kids, it's a temple, and we are the priests.
Aye, well, if the kids like their priests half-cut and thrown dead, who am I to argue?
What? Dave's getting chewed up again? This rate will never get a play live.
Oh, shite! My bowels!
Right, we can't get on with Dave, so thanks again, Tommy. Give him a nice one. Bye.
What do you think you're doing?
Hello, Tommy.
Yeah.
It's Baker. Just wanted to say I really enjoyed the show. Me and the boys want to thank you and remind you, you got our respect. Good day. Keep riding hard, son.
Bill?
Run! Run! Wait! Never get a naked flame too close to one of Phil Cassidy's moonshine stills.
Shit, Phil. You drink that stuff?
Hell, you don't have to drink it. Just a good whiff will set you off.
Listen, Phil, you said you could fix me up with some firepower.
Sure thing. There's some Mexican gun runner. Been doing me for business of late. He does his weekly run about now. Hey! Ram his hardware off the back of his trucks before he goes to ground. And you'd be doing me a favor while you're at it. Then finish him off.
Who isn't interested in a long-term relationship, but is only interested in the passion of life. Maybe even right outside of the parking lot. Next up, we have a beautiful record for you to get in touch with yourself with. Cutting Crew.
These are my streets, prick.
Now we're sleeping peacefully, free from germs. Locks is endorsed by the Society for Cleaner America. It uses a patented formula developed by the Pentagon for use in the field. Now it's available to your home. Some germs hate acid, some germs hate bleach. Locks kills ticks.
This is radio control. We got problems downtown. Backup requested, over.
This is 4754. I got contact.
This is radio control. We got problems downtown. Backup requested, over.
This is 4754. I got contact. Tommy, it's Phil. Now cut out all the reminiscent crap and listen to me, you hear? Good. I got me some extra strength moonshine, nearing fermentation time, and I was wondering if you'd fancy having a shot. Seriously, Tommy, if you like a drink, or if you need to strip paint, this stuff will make a man out of you. Sure did out of me, even though I can't see out of one eye. I'll be waiting for you, you hear?
This is radio control. We got problems downtown. Backup requested, over.
This is 4754. I got time.
Hey, Phil. How's it going?
Hey, Tommy! How you doing? It's been too long.
I swear you should lay off that boomshine, man. It smells like paint stripper. It's making my eyes burn.
Shh, 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 Tommy. Hey, come over here because there's something I want to show you. Something.
Oof, God, should I be able to smell that from way over here?
Don't you worry about the
Phil,
smell,
oof.
Tommy. You just watch this. Shitty, cheap bandits or something. There's some more on the bench. Ta-da! Oh, damn!
Tommy, it's Phil. I want to thank you for helping me out back there, son. Damn Charlie, he'll always ambush you somewhere or the other. Anyway, the wound is healing well, and it means I'll no longer be defrauding the government on my disability check.
Cream with everything. It'll make you talk real low.
That's the sound I love.
Giggle Cream. It makes dessert funny.
I'm just putting my needle into another groove. If it starts skipping, don't be tripping.
Mr. Teal, your help in eradicating those out-of-towners was invaluable to business. I have more work for you with a more hands-on approach. Your next job is taped under the phone.
Oh, excuse me, young man.
God, baby. I love her. Take me to Silent Hill.
I got the fever, baby.
Word to that.
Fever 105.
I know a thing or two about juice. I'm 300 pounds of juice. Fried
Don't skin it and don't try to kill
I'm
it.
coming over from breakfast. Here's one you love. Juicy fruit.
Get to the payphone in Vice Point. My compliments on a job well done, Mr. Teal. My client was very pleased. I have more work for you, with a more hands-on approach. Your next job is taped under the phone.
Remember, you're on Wild Style. Listening to me, Super Rocket Mr. Magic on the microphone. Coming to you live from a secret location in Vice City. So officer, if you're listening, and I know you are, don't try to stop us. You'll never find us. You can't stop us because we're underground. Get it right now. Got a big shout out to Sir Leslie and his homeboys from up north. Another one from Mr. Sam and the boys and girls downtown. Now let's get back to the non-stop meeting. Time for another Super Rocket Mr. Magic rap attack, y'all. Wild Style. A.K.A. Sir Juice, holding it down on pirate radio in Vice City. That means you can't stop us no matter how hard you try. It's that time again. A little bit of flavor from Grandmaster Flash and the Furious Five.
It's like a jungle sometimes. It makes me wonder how I keep from going under. It's like a jungle sometimes.
Estoy sao!
Get to the payphone next to the mall in Washington. Colombian gang plans to hit the bank in Vice City. My employees would rather this didn't happen. Each member of the gang has a color while they are here in Vice City. Some have menial jobs, others are on vacation. Each target and their likely whereabouts are taped under the phone.
Damn, you stepped on my sign.
You a masochist boy?
Yo, man.
Mega! Just.
Como el abro y el vivar, pero mientras que existe el mango, olvida el tango y la seriedad. Pero mientras que existe el mango, olvida el tango y la seriedad. Mango, mango, mucho mango. Mango, mango, mucho mango.
get to the payphone at the airport terminal. Time to fry bigger fish, Mr. Steele. There's a rifle in the foliage to your right. Watch the woman standing on the balcony above the check-in desk. She will walk through the crowd and ask someone the time. Must kill that person, retrieve the case, and take it to the location taped under the phone.
Girls are out.
Respond to extend 31.
Tommy, man, you're gonna love this.
Forget about it, Mario. What's going on? Mario.
In these times of trouble, of international scary things that cause anxiety, people seek soul ice. Or is that solace? Oh my god. Some visit lady friends, others go to a bar, and a strange few talk to rocks. My next guest is the author of this book, I'm Lovin' the Coven. She sits on the board of the Vice City Renaissance Committee, Gethsemane. Welcome to the show.
Hello, Amy. I brought you a crystal. Isn't it gorgeous?
I guess so, if you're into shiny glass. I prefer lacy gloves.
Amy, for many thousands of years, my people have been using crystals and gemstones to heal the sick. Take
Nasty itch. I was a Marine before the op. At least I get paid for it.
Division 10, 19, Central, Nova International. Protect 10, 71, Central, Nova International.
Waste him, we're always right.
Then you wind up coming out high school. Now you're earning a boy, all non-void, walking around like your little boy. Flag turn stick-up kid, but look what you done did. Got sent up for an 8-year bid. Now your manhood is true.
Can't you just run away?
10, 71, North, West, 54.
This is just like training.
Suspect on foot.
Make up your own mind on that one. The music just can't stop on Wild Style. Pirate radio forever.
Clap your hands, everybody, if you got what it takes. Cause I'm Curtis Blow, and I want you to know that these
Yeah, yo, listening to Super Rockin' Mr. Magic on the microphone in a class by itself. You can't stop us, you can't find us. It's definitely Pirate Radio as we kick it with Curtis Blow.
brakes on the bus, brakes on the car, brakes to make you a superstar, brakes to win and brakes to lose. These here brakes rock your shoes, and these are the brakes. Break it up, break it up, break it up.
Get to the payphone in Little Havana.
On the break. Break it up, break it up, break it up, break it down.
This is radio control. We got problems downtown. Backup requested, over.
This is 4754. I got contact.
There is a valuable exchange taking place on the roof of the Cherry Popper Ice Cream Company. Steal everyone involved, steal the merchandise and take it to the helipad at the airport. There is a gate to your left that leads to the back of the factory.
Mr. V. Hey, Mario.
You said what to your counselor?
Circumstances force a hasty departure, amigo.
What's the problem?
The French want their missile technology back, and after that last incident, I feel it is time to find safer harbors.
Wouldn't it be safer to fly?
I'd be dead before I reach check-in. Besides, I need to get my merchandise out of the country.
Need another gun?
You, my friend, are worth 10 guns.
Port side! The bridge up ahead! How about this? Not clear are being overrun by the French.
Baila conmigo, Black, you fighting my daughter.
Oh my God, they've got a helicopter!
Tomas, you have protected and served me well. But now you must leave us before we reach the open seas. I will lower my personal launch. Keep it, my friend. A token of my gratitude.
Thank you, Colonel.
One more request. While I'm away, could you keep an eye on Mercedes for me?
I think she could look after herself, but sure, I'll keep an eye out.
Gracias, amigo. Hasta luego.
Adios, amigo.
Paolo. How are you? Right, mate. Anyway, thought I had to drop you a line. Oh, my good lord, my son, you will not believe the quality of the brass I just encountered. Streetwalker or something just down in Little Havana, mate. Said her name was Mercedes or something. Oh, my God, mate, you've got to check this bird out. Could strip the lead out of a pencil. Said I was the best you ever had, and all. Keep your potato skin fluffy, seeing ya.
Love and love, love.
Tommy, Tomas, it's Cortez. ¿Qué pasa?
Things are interesting. How are you, my friend?
I wanted to ask you about Mercedes.
Okay. What about her?
Oh, Tommy, I hear these stories, all these stories. I don't know what to think. Maybe she thinks she can do what she likes. But Tommy, tell me, is it true?
Is what true?
These stories I hear. She really going to be a lawyer? Tommy, the shame. The shame. You know, we Cortez are a proud family. We would never allow a daughter of ours to become a lawyer. Please tell me if it's so. I don't think I could take it.
No, Colonel. I can assure you, Mercedes is never going to become a lawyer. Don't worry about it.
Oh, thank you, Tommy. Tommy, thank you. The shame would be unbearable. Anyway, Tommy, you must excuse me, all right? The new Minister of Interior has arrived. Many years ago, I killed his father in a failed coup, so I must be polite. Hey, good day, amigo.
Look at those big bazookas. I'm the only one you can wait for.
Get out of my way if you want to keep your spleen.
Be careful, the girlfriend on wheels!